Including a portfolio project in WordPress is a great way to showcase your work. You can either use the built-in portfolio feature or use a plugin to create and manage portfolio projects. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create the portfolio page. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages, Add New. Title your page. Use the block editor or classic editor to create an introduction or description for your portfolio. Add portfolio items using a portfolio plugin. Install a portfolio plugin like Portfolio Gallery or WP Portfolio. Go to Plugins, Add New. Search for a portfolio plugin, install and activate it. Create a new portfolio project via the plugin settings and add project details. Without a plugin, create individual portfolio posts or pages for each project. Go to Posts, Add New or Pages, Add New, add the title, images and project details. Use categories or text to organize the projects. Display portfolio on the page. Edit your portfolio page. Add the portfolio block or shortcode provided by the plugin. Publish your page.